Hi, welcome to this computer here. We're actually updating all our videos about how to build an ISO. And the one that's now is going to be updated is the build your own ISO ArcoLinux i3. It's always the basically the same routine. You are going to git clone scripts from the internet, and you open the terminal, Ctrl+Shift+V, and there you go. You run your scripts, or you first have a look at what's going to go on the ISO. This is your package list. This is what you're going to put on the ISO, and you decide whether you want that particular package or not, or add more stuff to it. So you have a look at all these elements and you say, no, glances, I love glances, needs to be there. It's there. Ctrl+S, save it. It's gonna be here. So it's all a matter of choice, and we cannot make an ISO that's going to be great for thousands and thousands of people. You decide what Lego block you want to have on the ISO. That's our point. That's why we create ArcoLinuxB. Once you have done the choice, you know, okay, I know what to have. This is what I want to build. I want to have this on my personal computer. Then you want to build an ISO. And you build the ISO with two choices here. Either this is the very first time you ever build it. First, make sure that you're on ArcoLinux or ArcoLinux. It's not going to work on Manjaro and others. So that's prerequisite, I think I call it in English. So it's the first time you build it, you use number 30. If it's not the first time you've built it and you're rebuilding it again, then maybe it's better to use 40, because this 40 thing is going to reuse all the packages that are in your var cache backbend packages. So in my case, I have 2.5 gig there already. So I don't need to download a lot. I just can reuse the packages I've been using for, let's say 3-4 hours, I think I'm at it. And I'm halfway there building all the ISOs. So it's always the same story, but maybe not enough people know that we give you this power to build your own personal ISO, and it's all in here. It's just a text file. Just put a hashtag in front of it, and also a great tip here is go for Perl, and everything that's black, let's scroll down a little bit, everything that's black is not going to be on the system. Right? Everything that's white is going to be on the system, and you decide whether you want to have Tumblr, or whether you want to have Firefox, etc., etc. It's all a choice. Never use Meld. Fine, don't install Meld. It's that simple. We give you the power, we give you the scripts. It's up to you to decide what you want to put on your ISO, and then build it. Let's wait till the ISO pops out. And the scripts is finished. i3 is of course a very minimal one. It's a tiling window manager, and it's only 1.5 gig, and this is going to be your version or your name of the file, and it's gonna be an ArcoLinuxB out. So a lot of things are already in here, and this is the one we've just built. So it will contain any of the changes you've made in the package list, and that's it really. It's now time to burn it on a USB or to load it up in a virtual box and test it out. Have fun.